Welcome to our UBOS training session on how to create a corporate phone directory, an individual phone book. Firstly, you log on to your secure management portal at catcommunications.ubos.com and you log in with your email address and a password that you've been allocated or created after you've logged in for the first time. You will then be faced with your welcome page, where you have your hotkeys across the top, which can be personalized to your liking, and then you have your main menu down the left-hand side. You can create a phone directory at 2 different levels, against individual users or against the entire business. To do it for the entire business, you need to go to the settings menu on the left-hand side. Once selected, you will then scroll down until you find and select a menu called Common Phone List. At the moment, this is completely blank because there are no contacts at this time. First thing to do is select Add. Anything entered at this level on the Common Phone List will go to all the users and extensions in your business. So your options are, firstly, that you can add individually. All you do is add the person's name, add their phone number, confirm you want to add into Site Directory, hit Save, and then it will create a new contact for your whole business. Now, within 20 minutes, this will synchronize with all the devices on your account, whether that be a desk phone, cordless phone, or soft phone. Your second option you've got is when you hit the Actions button, you can import contact data to your directory. This is in the form of a CSV file, so you can export from your CRM system or any other database that you use. The CSV file only has to have 2 columns. The important thing here is you don't need headings to do this import via CSV. In column A, it will be the contact name, and column B, it will be the phone number. Before you upload your data, you will need to choose how you would like the data imported using the Common Phone List, Replace option, drop-down list. You can choose from Skip, Overwrite, or Rename. In order to avoid any duplicate contacts, we always recommend you go with the Overwrite option. You want to add to Site Directory and then hit Browse to look for the appropriate file on your computer. Once you've found that file, you hit Import and that will then import your chosen CSV file into your directory onto the phone list. Again, within 20 minutes, that will synchronize all the contacts to all the devices on your account. Now, the good thing with having the Common Phone List through UBOS is not only does that mean when you go to your device, you will then find that contact in the device and be able to scroll through the directory depending on the phone you've got and call a person directly from there. It also means when that person phones in, as long as they aren't dialing from a withheld phone number, that person's name will appear on the screen of your phone on an incoming call. Now let's look at how to add contacts just for an individual user. Select Users in the left-hand menu. This will bring up all phone users in the company. Next, select your user, and that takes you into their own profile. So you are now in that user's individual profile for their extension and phone. You will then go to Service Configuration on the left, and this tells you all the features that you've got enabled against their extension number. If there is anything that is green, that means that the feature is live. Anything that's red is not live. So scroll down to the bottom, and here you've got Personal Directory. Click on Personal Directory and then you've got Add and Import as before. So it works the same as a Common Phone List where you can add individually or import a CSV file. The difference here is when you add or import, it is only going to add the name and the number against that one individual user and not the rest of the company. So that is how you create a common phone list and a personal phone list on your device by using the UBOS Phone System Management Portal. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.